What would it be like to take your everyday Samsung device and turn it into a full-fledged desktop? Coming up on Split Second Tech. If by chance this is the first time visiting this channel, we are happy to have you here. We do a lot of stuff tech related, from news, how-tos and tutorials to unboxing, so please consider subscribing. You'll be glad you did. With that being said, let's hop on over to the video. With the release of the Samsung Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, users now have the ability to take an everyday USB Type-C cable and plug it in to enable the DeX ability. Samsung has said that the contraction of DeX actually stands for Desktop Experience. This will allow users to access their cell phone's operating system on a desktop-like interface with various apps and programs can be run. Now, Samsung DeX has been around for a while now, since the launch of the Samsung S8, but they've required special accessories to get the full use. You needed a dock or some kind of dock pad to plug into your phone. Now, with the release of the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, all of that hardware is no longer needed and can be accessed by a simple USB cable. Since DeX is running in a phone-style environment, you do still have access to all of the apps just like you would on your regular cell phone. Although some of the apps may not work well with the DeX interface if they haven't been optimized for DeX. Not to mention, you still can access your office or productivity apps such as the Office Suite, Adobe Suite, and the G Suite as well. DeX even provides the ability to emulate familiar operating systems like Windows 10, Chrome OS, Ubuntu, and Linux. One of the best features is, even if DeX is running on your computer, you can still use the phone as a normal phone. This essentially is like having dual screens, all powered from a single device. If you do have a DeX dock or you have a Samsung Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, head on over to the link right down here below and download the software and give it a try for yourself. I'm really excited to see how Samsung DeX actually works and how well it progresses. I may actually just have to run over and grab a dock, or better yet, snag a Note 10 and give it a real test drive. And that wraps up today's video, bringing us into our question of the day. How do you feel about replacing our workstations with just a simple phone? Leave your answers in the comments below. If you liked the video and found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Check out the other videos that we have on this channel. We do a ton of stuff. I'll link a couple over there on the right-hand side of the screen. Of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe and enable the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.